Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Proton Calendar for free step-by-step. Proton Calendar offers a free plan that lets you securely manage your schedule with end-to-end encrypted events, making it a great choice for anyone who values privacy. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Proton website, or download the Proton Calendar app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. If you don't already have a Proton account, click Create Free Account and complete the registration process. Next, sign in with your Proton account. Once you're logged in, open Proton Calendar from the Proton dashboard or launch the mobile app. Your secure calendar will be ready to use in just a few moments. Now start by creating your first event. Click or tap the new event or plus button, enter the event title, choose the date and time, add a location or notes if needed, and save the event. You can also set reminders so you'll receive notifications before important meetings or appointments. You can continue using the free plan to organize your daily schedule, create recurring events, manage multiple calendars, and sync your calendar across your signed-in devices. Depending on the current free plan features, some advanced collaboration or premium options may require a paid Proton subscription, but the core calendar features remain available at no cost. Finally, keep the app updated and sign in with the same Proton account on all your devices to make sure your events stay synchronized wherever you go. And that's it. You now know how to use Proton Calendar for free and take advantage of its secure, privacy-focused features without paying for a subscription. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey